This video shows how to install Sammy's Speedy clamp for the first time, using the Sammy's installation tool and a 1/4-inch impact driver. For initial installation, you'll need the Sammy's Speedy clamp, the installation tool, a standard 1/4-inch impact driver, and your 3/8-inch threaded rod. Identify the steel joist or beam where you'll be suspending your threaded rod. Make sure the flange is suitable for the clamp and that the area is clear of obstructions. Insert the Sammy's installation tool into your impact driver. Then, seat the tool fully onto the head of the Speedy clamp screw, so the clamp is held securely on the tool. Bring the clamp up to the beam and position the mouth of the clamp around the flange. Make sure the clamp is square and fully engaged with the steel before you start driving. With the clamp properly positioned, drive the screw and installation tool. Install in one steady motion until the clamp is tight and fully seated against the beam. Do not continue driving once the clamp is fully engaged and the nut has visibly separated from the head of the screw. Remove the installation tool and inspect the clamp. Confirm it is tight on the beam and does not move when you apply a firm check by hand. Once you know how to install Sammy's Speedy clamp up close, you also have the option to install from a distance with the pole tool. When beams are out of reach or blocked by overhead MEP, simply attach the clamp to the pole tool, seat it on the beam, and drive it tight in one smooth motion. You get the same secure, code-compliant connection without leaning, stretching, or resorting to unsafe workarounds. When reusing a Speedy clamp, slowly remove the clamp. You can use the same tool used for the initial installation. Then inspect the clamp for any damage. If it looks good, position it correctly on the beam and tighten the screw by hand with the proper tool. Do not use a power driver on a reused clamp. Once it's securely seated, confirm everything is tight before putting it back into service. And that's it. To learn more, visit sammysanchors.com.